change your mind about a return at Zara? Here's how to cancel the return in Zara. Start by logging into your Zara account and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see the return section. Tap on it. You will find a list of your return request, and from here you can click to cancel it. If the cancellation option is unavailable, reach out to Zara's customer service for help. They can guide you through the cancellation process, especially if the return has not been processed yet. You may need to cancel your return within a short window after submission, so act fast. Ever cancelled a return? Share your experience in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.